I am really excited with how the Dogwood Pouch PDF sewing pattern came to be. First off, as you can see, it features 10 different sizes. And the unique thing about this pattern, it looks rather simple to sew and put together, which is true, but all of the exterior and lining pieces are completely unique. So this pattern really tested my pattern drafting skills, but I'm so happy with how it turned out because it really is fun and easy to sew. The Dogwood Pouch can also be sewn in some fun prints, which is what I've used here. So this is what the bottom looks like, and the boxed corners are formed by some pressing at the end when the pouch is all finished. The sides of the pouch feature sort of a triangle shape, and let me show you what it looks like on the inside. So there's a fabric tab on one side so that the zipper can open wide, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So I top stitched the opening in my lining closed, but you can also slip stitch your opening closed by hand for an invisible finish, and everything is sewn right sides together. The Dogwood Pouch PDF sewing pattern features full color step-by-step instructions, and the full length and instructional video is 39 minutes long.